Welcome back to Garage Cars. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, an electric van built for efficiency and performance. Stick around to see why this sleek, eco-friendly workhorse is perfect for modern fleets. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is an electric pickup that redefines what a truck can be. With its unapologetically bold design, it stands out on the road like no other vehicle, boasting angular lines and a robust stainless steel exoskeleton. Tesla has created a vehicle that isn't just about looks, it's a game-changer in the world of electric trucks. Whether you're looking for something durable, futuristic, or powerful, the Cybertruck is built to make a statement. Performance-wise, the Cybertruck is as impressive as its design. Tesla offers multiple powertrain options, with the highest variant featuring a tri-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers extraordinary power and acceleration. The Cybertruck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest trucks on the market, electric or otherwise. With a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity that rivals any heavy-duty truck, the Cybertruck proves it's more than just a looker, it's a workhorse built for heavy-duty tasks. Tesla's battery technology ensures a range of over 500 miles on a single charge, meaning you can take on long trips or tough jobs without worrying about running out of power. The exterior design of the Cybertruck is unlike any other truck on the market, with its sharp angles and stainless steel body that's built to withstand whatever the road throws at it. The ultra-hard exoskeleton is not just for show, it's engineered to provide maximum durability, making the Cybertruck resistant to dents, scratches, and corrosion. Its unique look might not be for everyone, but it's certainly impossible to ignore. The armored glass windows, while tough, also contribute to the futuristic vibe, offering protection while maintaining a sleek design. Inside, the Cybertruck blends practicality with modern minimalism. The interior features a clean, spacious layout with a large touchscreen at the center, controlling everything from navigation to vehicle settings. The seating is comfortable and can accommodate up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for both work and leisure. With premium materials and a focus on functionality, the cabin of the Cybertruck ensures comfort and usability for every journey. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Cybertruck leads the pack in the electric vehicle world. Powered entirely by electricity, it offers zero tailpipe emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option for those in need of a heavy-duty truck. The combination of Tesla's efficient battery technology and the Cybertruck's rugged design ensures that it's a practical and sustainable vehicle for both daily use and long-haul trips. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck isn't just a truck, it's a revolution on wheels, combining innovation, performance, and sustainability in a way no other vehicle has before. Whether you're using it for work, adventure, or just because, the Cybertruck is ready to take on whatever you throw at it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garage Cars for more reviews and updates. See you in the next video.